Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to check whether a given value is null in JavaScript. The null value represents an intentional absence of value, but it can sometimes be confused with undefined or other falsy values. Let's explore how to correctly identify null values. Null is often confused with undefined and other falsy values like 0 and not. However, it is a distinct type in JavaScript that explicitly represents the intentional absence of any object value. This function works by using strict equality, ensuring that the value is precisely null and not any other falsy values. This is the simplest and most reliable way to check for null. This method ensures only null values return true, while all other falsy values correctly return false. The strict equality operator prevents unexpected type coercion. This function correctly identifies null as true, while filtering out similar falsy values like 0, undefined, and empty strings. The type of null quirk object does not affect our check, since we strictly compare it with null itself. This function is widely used in data validation, API response handling, and debugging missing values. It ensures that null is correctly detected and handled, preventing errors in applications. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to accurately detect null values, ensuring correct handling in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in validating user input, handling API responses, and debugging data inconsistencies. Try using these in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.